In a cozy little kitchen, warm and bright, a chef stood ready, apron tied tight. He gathered ingredients, with a smile so wide, ready to create a delicious culinary ride. Cooking, cooking, with skill and flair, mixing and stirring, a heavenly affair. He seasoned the dish just right, adding flavors that would excite. Cooking, cooking, with love and care, creating meals beyond compare. Cooking is the verb he loved to embrace, turning ingredients into a masterpiece. So put on your chef's hat, grab your pan, and let the aroma of cooking fill your plan. Cooking is simple, with endless possibilities, creating tasty delights for everyone's ease. The end.